Now it was time to go. Sam waved goodbye to his family as the little boat chugged out to sea. So it was time to go. That means Sam bade goodbye to his family, and chugged out means moved slowly towards the sea, making the sound of an engine. Okay, so the with the boat they chugged out to the sea. That means Sam and Armando. Armando threw him a life jacket. Put this on, he said. So Armando কি করলো? কাকে একটা লাইফ জ্যাকেট দিল? স্যামকে। ওকে, he said, I have promised your mother that you will wear it. So Armando has promised Sam's mother that they must wear the life jacket. We know that life jacket is very essential if we are riding on ropeway, riding on a spaceship, or in a boat. Okay, lying on the small deck with the chugging of the boat in the ears and a gentle sea breeze fanning his face, Sam almost fell asleep. So chugging means a sound of engine. So Sam was lying on the small deck and he fell asleep as there is a gentle breeze that makes Sam fall asleep. Sam almost fell asleep. At last Armando's voice brought him wide awake. At last Armando called Sam. Okay Sam, we are here now. Yes, help me drop the anchor please. So they have reached their destination. That means they have reached to Dolphin. So Armando requested Sam to help him in his work. That means to drop the anchor, মানে রোপ দিয়ে বাঁধার কথা বলছে, ঠিক আছে। Armando and Sam dragged the heavy anchor to the side of the boat and then heaved it into the water. So Armando আর Sam কি করলো? Dragged means pull, টেনে নিয়ে গেল ওই মোটা রোপটাকে to the side of the boat, বোটের একটা সাইডে, and then heaved it into the water. Then they put the heavy rope into the water. Now we whistle for the dolphins, Armando said. That means Armando said Sam that now they whistle in the sea and the dolphins will come out. Armando put his thumbs together, দুটো থামসকে এক জায়গায় আনলো, and blew thinly through the gap between them. Not hardly, blew thinly, আস্তে আস্তে মুখ দিয়ে ফু দিল। A strange noise came out, একটা অদ্ভুত আওয়াজ এলো, halfway between a whistle and the hoot of an owl. দেখে যেন মনে হচ্ছে যে একটা কোনো আউলের ডাকের মতো। Sam copied Armando exactly. Sam আর্মান্ডোকে পুরো কপি করলো, but when he blew no sound came out. কিন্তু যখন ও ফু দিল কোনো সাউন্ড এলো না। তো আমরা কি করি বলতো? আমরা আমাদের বাড়িতে শাঁখ ইউজ করি, তো উই ইউজ দ্য কঞ্চ in our house. Okay, if we blew too hard or too soft, it cannot produce any sound. যদি আমরা শাঁখে খুব জোরে আওয়াজ দিই বা খুব আস্তে দিই তাহলে সাউন্ড প্রডিউস হবে না। সিমিলারলি এইখানেও এই কন্ডিশন হয়েছিল। নেক্সট, I tell you it is difficult, laughed Armando. He made the same strange whistling noise again. So Sam also tried, but Armando told him that it is stuff. Look, cried Armando, pointing, here they come. So Armando pointed that they had come. That means the dolphins have come. Sam could not believe his eyes. Sam তো পুরো অবাক হয়ে গেছে, চোখে বিশ্বাস করতে পারছে না। On the horizon, horizon মানে হচ্ছে দিগন্ত রেখা, অর্থাৎ যেখানে স্কাই আর সি মনে হয় যে কি হয় মিশে গেছে। Heading straight for the boat was a small school of dolphins. So there is a group of dolphins. There were about 12 of them, প্রায় 12 জন মতো ছিল ডলফিন, and they were leaping through the water, জলে নাচানাচি করছিল, and crisscrossing each other, একে অপরকে এদিক দিয়ে ওদিক দিয়ে কি করছিল, crisscross করছিল, জাম্পিং করছিল। Now I show you something, said Armando. Armando threw a fish out of the boat. বোট থেকে একটা মাছ ফেলে দিল, and a dolphin leapt into the air and caught it. So they are playing game. Okay, so the dolphins were also excited or are also excited to play with the Armando.